April 30th, 2020, I got in the mail what I've been waiting for a very long time, the iPad Magic Keyboard. I'm here to unbox it, show you what it's like, and if it lives up to its reputation. It seems very sturdy. Oh, it's got a very nice click to the keyboard. It's not like you're typing on cardboard or your table. Alright, it seems to open up to 130 degrees upwards. There is pass-through charging, which I believe it's built into this. I have my connector USB-C cord. Let's see if it works. Yep, you can connect through here, charge the iPad on this case, and because you do that, if you have any USB products that you want to connect through this charge port, you're able to do that. So here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna connect my 2018 refurbished iPad Pro 12.9-inch screen onto this for the first time. And there it is, folks. My iPad is on the keyboard, the Magic Keyboard, for the first time. Let's see how strong this magnetic connection is. Whoa, pretty strong. Can I take it out? Wow, I really had to work hard to take that out, so that is a strong keyboard. Magnetic cases all around, latches on perfectly to this Apple product. Now we're gonna look at the functionality of this keyboard. When I put it on, it backlit automatically. See here, you can see the trackpad now. As I scroll across, almost like any MacBook Air. The click is very firm and very solid. I am really excited about this product. I can't wait to use it for work tomorrow. I've got a whole bunch of reminders that I got to do. In addition, I already have the Apple Pencil. Yep, goes on magnetically here. I use LumaFusion to do my edits. And overall, this is a great product. Yes, it is a little expensive. It's the most I've ever spent on any Apple accessory in my life. But I think with the iPad Pro, this is a must. It virtually turns it into a computer. My reminders, notes, photos, video blogging editor, all in one iPad. I couldn't be more happy, and I can't wait to use it in the weeks to come. Thank you for watching my second tech review of the Apple iPad Keyboard Pro. Look forward to making more of these in the future. Take care. Bye.